Hi, Crypto Tester here. In this video I will show you how to install and use the MetaMask Ethereum wallet for Chrome-based browsers. I'm using Brave browser. If you're interested, you can check it out in the description, where you can also find the link to the MetaMask Chrome extension, or you can Google for it as I did in the video. To install it, just click to Add to Chrome and confirm. You will see a page like this where you can continue. Now, you can choose a password, and I suggest you to use a password generator like the one that you're seeing here, which is KeyPass. So in my case, I just click to generate a 21 characters password, and I just copy paste it in the new password and confirm password fields. Then click create. Then you will see the terms and conditions, privacy policy, etc. to accept. And finally, the secret backup phrase that you should also save in a secure place, which is in my case also KeyPass. A little note about this: if you lose your MetaMask password you selected before, it's not a big deal because you can restore your MetaMask wallet using these 12 words. However, if a hacker gains access to these 12 words, he can also recreate the wallet and steal all your money. Check in the description for more details. You will be prompted to enter these 12 words in the correct order, and then you are done. You can click on View Account and you can see your Ethereum address, which you can copy and paste it somewhere. You can also click on View on Etherscan, where you can see details about your transactions, and you can also copy your address. You will find the MetaMask extension at the top right, and you can log in using the password you chose. To send money, you click on Send. You can choose an amount in Ethereum, and you can select a transaction fee. By default fast. You can do fastest or slow. Just as an example, I cancel. If you forgot your address, you can click on Deposit, View Account, and there you can copy it again. Last feature: if you click these three dots and then you click on Expand View, you can access MetaMask in full screen. Alright, thanks for watching. Check the description, and if you have questions, leave a comment.